Hey super kids, I'm Money Girl, your superhero guide to the world of money. Have you ever wondered what money actually is? Let's find out together with a fun story. Wow, look at this shop, so colorful and filled with toys. Riya is entering the shop and looking all around with sparkle in her eyes. Oh look, Riya has selected a toy for herself and she is asking the shopkeeper to pack this for her. Uh-oh, Riya wants that cute toy, and she is offering chocolate to the shopkeeper in exchange of toy. But the shopkeeper says, "Sorry Riya, I need money." Money is like a superhero tool, small but powerful. Instead of carrying rice, fruits, or chocolates, people use coins and notes. It's smart, easy, and makes buying things super simple. Alright heroes, so today's money mission is take out your piggy bank and check whether you have more coins or notes. Count them and tell your parents what you discovered. Let's see who's the mini money master at home. Awesome job, heroes! Next time we'll travel back in time to a world before money even existed. It's called the barter system. See you soon, smart savers.